Hello beautiful ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just showing you all I deeply moisturize my hair 2 days before my wash days. I did my deep moisturizing routine on Friday and today is Saturday. I'm just like unraveling this medium size braids just to show you what my hair looks like. And my hair is already 2 months old and I will be rebraiding, so I'll be doing protein treatment using my DIY shampoo, and I will just be washing my hair and getting it ready to rebraid my hair. You can see I have a lot of product build up. I couldn't believe I have a lot of product build up, and I think this as a result of when I'm applying my shea butter. I do not care if the shea butter got into my roots, especially when I'm doing my deep moisturizing routine. So I think that's a reason, but that notwithstanding, we'll be washing our hair today, so enjoy the rest of the video. Yeah, and the truth is I haven't really had time to moisturize my hair, whether deeply or just normal moisturizing routine. Like for a whole week I'm just moisturizing my hair once because I've been really busy. And you can see from this video that my hair looks kind of dry. My hair looks dry. I don't know if you can see, but me, I can actually see a little bit of dryness on my hair. So anyway, yeah, so my hair really looks dry and needs a protein treatment. So I made a previous video showing you all how to make this potent protein treatment, and this is my rice. I left it for for 7 days, so I just took out the fermented chaff from on top the rice, and we just need to drain out to use the water. So I left this to sit in for 7 days. So this is what it looks like. Make sure after 7 days you remove the fermented ones on top and you just drain out the water and you use it. This is a very potent treatment. Next is my fenugreek mixed with cloves and rosemary. You all know I always mix this with my rice for my protein treatment, and this will be my first protein treatment in 2025. Like I said, I'll be doing my protein treatment once in 3 months. But if I'm able to start using a protein shampoo, DIY shampoo, I'll be skipping protein treatments so that I don't overload my hair with protein. So for now, this is just what I do, and just watch and enjoy the rest of the video. I'm going to be using this new hair massager I got, and this spray bottle. This will just help. This spray bottle is just, I just love it. You need to get this. And I also got a hair. So I got this hair steamer, and I realized if you have low porosity hair, when you apply anything to your hair, like maybe hair mask, protein treatment, any treatment at all, you really need heat to help the product to penetrate faster into your scalp. So this was why I decided to get this hair steamer. It is very, very good, trust me. You need one if you don't have one. So the next thing I'm doing is to make my herbal tea, and I'll also be using this as my shampoo also. So I added black seed, fenugreek, clove, rosemary, cinnamon, chebe powder, mint leaf. Yeah, so this was what I added to this my herbal rinse. I've sieved out the fenugreek, and I really love this. Like, fenugreek is great. You can see how slimy it is. So after sieving out my fenugreek tea rinse for my protein treatment, I'm adding the chaff into the pot of my herbal tea. I'll also be sieving out my rice, and I'll also be adding my rice into the herbs I have in the pot to make my herbal shampoo and my herbal tea. Stick with me. So the next thing is to mix your rice water and your fenugreek water. Mix it properly, sieve it out properly. This is to get an effective protein treatment for your hair. And if you don't have a blender, you can actually blend out these rice we sieve out and this fenugreek to make a hair mask. Seriously, it will be very, very nice. Maybe I'll think on adding these hair masks to my routine once in 3 months. So I just added my rice to it, and I'll put these pots on a low heat and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll let it cool, sieve it out, and I'll be showing you the next step. So the next thing, in order to activate this protein treatment, please do not miss this step. So you need to add your essential oils, because this treatment can be very trying to your hair and to your scalp, and we don't want that. And you also need to add your glycerin, just for a little bit of shine, just to protect your hair. So these are the two important things. Please do not miss it out. Even if you don't have your glycerin, that's okay. Make sure you're adding essential oils, and these my oils contain lavender oil, castor oil, tea tree oil, a lot of oils. You just add 1 spoon of that into your protein treatment before using it on your hair. This just helps activate the rice, the fenugreek, and everything in it, and this just gives you what your hair wants, and it doesn't actually dries out your hair that much. Alright ladies, so moving forward, I wasn't able to get the 3 herbs I was to use for my DIY shampoo, so I decided to improvise. That's what you saw just now. And once I let that mixture boil, I will be taking out 1 cup. I'll be sieving out a cup of that herbal tea that I just made. I'll be sieving out a cup. This cup, I'm keeping it separate as my herbal rinse. Or you can also add it to the water you'll be using to wash your hair. Just whichever one works for you. If you're going to be adding it to the water you use to wash your hair, that's okay. If you'll be using it as a herbal rinse, that's after washing your hair, you'll be using the water to finally, rinse your hair. The reason is so that your hair doesn't just, after washing your hair, you're not stripping your hair everything of the nutrients, you just applied, so you can add half to your water for washing and just leave a little bit just to rinse your hair, and you don't need to wash it out. And the other half I'll be using as my herbal shampoo. And in this herbal shampoo, I'll still put it on fire, and I'll just get a little piece of my dudu soap, and I'll be adding it into the herbal tea. Use it as my herbal shampoo. Though I'm not making a large quantity, so I'll be doing until I'm able to get the herbs I need for the herbal shampoo. And even after getting the herbs I need for the herbal shampoo, I might just be making quantity that can last me for maybe 3 months. Secondly, I got a steamer for my hair, so that I don't need to be leaving this for 1 hour, 2 hours. You can use a hair steamer. Just put on low heat, and the highest, after 20 minutes, take it out and wash your hair. That is what I will be doing. So you can see this is the herbs. I have sieved out and divided it into two. One will be added to, I'll be adding this to the water I'll be using to wash my hair, and this is what I'll be using as the shampoo. Now, to make this very cleansing, very clarifying for my scalp, because I have a lot of product build up, like I told you all, I just cut a little bit of my dudu osu soap, which I'll be adding the fire just for the soap to melt quickly. Or you can leave it in here if you have the time. You'll be stirring it for the soap to melt, or you can just put it on fire. After like 2 to 3 minutes, highest should be 5 minutes, the soap would have melted. You allow it to cool, and you can use this as your shampoo. The truth is, this soap is already melting. I don't think I might put it back in the fire. I should have put it when it was a little bit hot, so that it would have melted fast, but all the same, you can see it's reducing. All the same, it is still melting. So I will just go and apply my protein treatment, hopefully before I'm done applying and steaming my hair for 20 minutes. This soap would have melted, and I'll be using this to wash my hair. This will help you to thicken your hair. This will help to strengthen your hair. We are not forgetting, you are going to add 1 spoon of your essential oils and glycerin. Perhaps I was thinking this won't come out well actually, but you know, it did came out very, very well. And you know, rice is, people in China use rice to actually grow out their hair. Rice can be used for different things. You can use this, you make rice toner, hair masks, hair this. Rice is very, very potent. So yeah, I just realized the shampoo wasn't enough for me. It only washed out my back hair. My front hair still have some product built up, so I'll be going in with my Dudu Osu soap just to, wash out the product built up, and that will be all for today. I'll be seeing you all when I'm rebraiding my hair, which will be tomorrow. Thank you for liking, watching, and sharing my videos. Drop your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Bye.